Come test drive the 2022 F-350 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power adjustable pedals, tinted glass, compass. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.